In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically move emails to a folder in new updated Gmail. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right menu, click on Gmail. Suppose you want to keep the emails from a specific project or work in a separate folder. To do this, you can create a label. Suppose I want to separate the emails from Notion. To do this, select the emails from Notion. In the top menu, click on the three-dot icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Label As. In the pop-up, you can select a suggested label or create your own. I want to create my own, so I will click on Create New. In the pop-up, give a name to the label. You can keep this label under a previous label, but I will leave it as it is. After you are done, click on Create. Here, a new label has been created. If I open this, you will see the emails that I selected earlier. But if I go to the inbox, you can see that the emails are here also. Suppose you want to separate all of the emails from this recipient and remove them from the inbox. To do this, you just have to select one email from your desired recipient. In my case, it is Notion. In the top menu, click on the three-dot icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Filter Messages like this. In the pop-up, you can edit your filter according to your needs. I will leave it as it is and click on Create Filter. Now you have to select what you want to do with your filter. In the pop-up, click on the Skip the Inbox option. This will archive your filtered emails automatically. Now click on Apply the Label and choose your label. Now, click on Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. This will apply the filter to all emails that are connected with Notion. After you are done, click on Create Filter. Here you can see that the emails from Notion are removed from the inbox. If I open the label folder, you can see that all of the emails that are connected with Notion are in this label. Following these steps, you can automatically move emails to folders.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.